Hey, it's Michael with WorkSmartBeSmart, and we're going to look at a more advanced type of Craigslist ad now. This is what we call an image-based ad. Now, the advantages of image-based ads is that the Craigslist filters can't detect the type of content or text. So the reason for that, this is a great ad is that they can't tell if it's unique or not. So it's a way around some of those filters. However, it can scan the HTML, and if you use PhotoBucket to store your image on, you may have some issues with that. So that's why I don't use PhotoBucket to store my images. I use my website. So as you can see, this ad here it shows text, but everything is an image. The top half is a picture, and the bottom half is a picture. And for these to work, you have to store the images on a server somewhere else. So the first thing that you would do in creating this ad is you would get the pictures that you want to use and you would insert them. You'd simply go insert image and choose the image you want to go in there. And at first you'll link the image location to where the image is located. And the link is where will it go after you click the image. Okay? So let's go behind the scenes and see how this is structured by looking at the source code. And you'll see here the very first image is going to be stored right here. And you don't have to write this code. All you need to do is have the location of the actual image. So this is the first image, the top image. And then here is the image below, the click here image. And then right above that is where that is going to go. And again, you don't need to know how to program the code, but you need to understand what's going on behind the scenes. So if we take a look at this one here, and we can look at the properties of how this one is structured. So the image itself is located in this location, and when I click on it, it's going nowhere because I don't want them to go anywhere on that image. I want them to click on the image below, and you'll see this one, when they click on it, they go to my web form inside of my Smart Agent system. So what this does is creates a seamless and automated process. So when they click on my Craigslist ad, and they go to my landing page, which is inside of my Smart Agent system, and they enter their information there, automatically they're going to get a follow-up drip email campaign for the next 12 months. Whether they're a hot lead or not, it doesn't matter. I just get them in there and then they incubate. So this is another. It's very basic to create. You just have to understand the portion about the images, because if I put an image that is from my local drive and not stored on a website somewhere, it will not show up in my Craigslist ad. The only way you get it to show up there is that it is stored on the internet. And same with my button. I created this button inside of Photoshop. So all you'll do with this ad is the same thing we did in our basic ad. You're going to right click, select all the code, copy it, and paste it into the Craigslist ad. And we'll take a look at how that is done next, and we'll look at the Craigslist portion and also your landing page and how you work that part of the Craigslist lead generation system. Work smart, be smart. We're always working so you don't have to.